Everybody, it is the last day of February, and we are going to go over the stats. It's another day in paradise in beautiful Vegas. I got out and walked this morning and cut it in half. It was so cold. Oh dear. Anyway, well, lots of listings we have. This is great. We listed 143 homes in the past 2 days. That's fantastic. So fantastic. Better do a sound check real quick. See, make sure hearing each other, testing. Yeah.
Better do a sound check real quick.
Yeah. It works. So on with the show here. 103 under contract, and the closings was from Friday. So just I didn't update it to 0 today. Gosh, we have 1,891 single family homes. And we had 1,768 on Friday. So that increased. And then our days of inventory went down by a day. How does that work? Because we're selling more per day. It's not that there's not inventory. It's that you all are just selling more. On Friday, our number was 106 sales per day. And then with Friday's closings, it jumped up to 116 sales per day. So we shall see tomorrow what the final tab is for February, because the closings will happen today, and then hopefully they'll get put in the MLS tomorrow. So that's what's happening. Anything else here of importance? Yes, the $1 million homes are fast approaching that 4 a day mark, like we had last year. Last year, actually 4.5. So we'll see, because the season is coming. The season is coming. So I noticed that there were more listings in the $1 million status. We have 413, and we were hovering around 399 and 400. So we have more to sell. We'll see what happens. Then on the medium price and under, 436,000 and under, we listed 33, which gave us 475. And that is a huge increase, because we were at 440. So I'm happy to report that to everybody. And okay. Anything else going on? Investors still buying. The interesting thing that I wanted to talk about just briefly is we talk about inventory. And I heard another person today on YouTube talk about how low the inventory was. And in 2020, we sold 41,000 homes. In 2019, we sold 41,000 homes. In 2018, we sold 41,000 homes. There's a pattern there. In 2017, we were 44,000. And in 2016, I believe it was 41 again. 2015, they don't, let's see, do I have that number? Yeah, 37,000. And then in 2014, it was 35,000. Then in 2013, it was 40,000. And in 2012, which is the last data I have, it was 37. So we've been hovering around that 40,000. The biggest jump really is last year. So people decided to sell. And one of the things that you need to know is why. Why are people selling? Well, look, they have all this equity. Look at all the equity they have, so they can move up. And more people are moving here, especially from California. So all these factors play into our market, unlike any other market.